In case you didn't know, I bought a new house. It was quite a move-in process and this is going to be my new studio. Hentacular! So before we do any work, let's take a look at the studio.
So let's get in.
So there's some awkward shapes around there and I don't know what I was expecting to show you guys. It's just an empty room really.
First things first, painting.
So this as well. You ever considered like...
Hell no.
What about this? What about this? Too grey. No, you ripped it! What about this?
Yeah.
For a kitchen. You know, like kitchen cupboard colours?
And so we picked this white.
Let's see Paul Allen's card.
The master at that crap.
Oh my god. Dude in the socks, the no shirt. Did you say master of the craft?
This went on until we painted each and every single crevice of my room. And you may be wondering, what is this we're painting? Well, it's some Cat 6 RJ45 wall plates.
Yeah.
I got this installed by TNT Electrical along with other things in my house and I could not be happier with them. Now I'm not sponsored by them, but as a first home owner, I'm really glad I found them so quickly into my house journey. They do absolutely top quality work and they treat your home as if it's theirs.
We've painted my studio. This is not my studio, just for reference. I don't know how yellow it looks, but if we come to my studio,
and then we got some flooring guys in and bam! I can't do carpet.
alright guys, I'm finally moving my setup out of the kitchen and we're going to the studio.
My room was animated by Jack.
Many months later.
This room needs a makeover. We're gonna start turning this into a studio. First thing, upgrade that desk.
Well, with ergonomics and usability in mind, the sit-stand desk, ladies and gentlemen. These wheels damaged the floorboard, so...
Now fun fact, the guys at Desky actually called me after they saw I purchased 2 sets of these and were just double checking I had existing office chairs and that I wasn't actually using it for like, you know, the actual table itself. So kudos to them, they didn't have to call me to check, they could have just went through with the sale, but I'm kind of impressed how proactive they are in doing so. Woo! That is really smooth.
Honestly, the online setup videos make the installation process seem so seamless. Which it is if your workspace is tidy. Which mine is not.
Are these the wrong screws? Ta-da!
Now I just need to flip the table.
Through the power of friendship. And the table is complete!
And here I'm testing the sit-stand functionality for the first time.
Well, that's about it for now.
Oh, also I set up a studio light for the first time ever.
I did it.
And that really brings us to the end of part 1. The carcass of the room is complete. However, part 2 is where we add personality, so please make sure you're subscribed. Leave a comment if, I don't know what type of comments you can even leave for a video like this, but leave a comment if you support me. Anyhow, get